video tutorial on Python. Guess what? Today we are gonna learn about strings and print functions. So first of all, once you have started your Python 3.5.1 IDLE, that's short for Internal Development Environmental. So open it, fire it up. Now you're gonna play with it. Yeah, so so you can just do anything to it. First of all, this is called a shell. Shell is a place where you execute commands, right? Like say hello, any execution of commands. And if you go to file, the new file, this is called a script. Basically, this contains all of your codes so that you can save it, and once you run it, it will go to the shell, and the shell will return whatever that program does. So that's what happens. So you can like do right here, and then when you run and run module, it will run and you're gonna see the return. But you're gonna say that okay, in scripts we can write our codes, save it and run it. In shell also we can write our codes and execute it. So what's the difference? Only difference is that if you want to save your codes, then write it on a script, save it, run it. If you don't want to, just write your code here and run it. That's what you need to do. So we are gonna write our programs in our scripts. So let's start with string. Okay, string. So string is a type of data. First type of data in Python. Strings are basically a list of characters. So to make a string, what you need to do is this. If you type a double quote or a single quote, you're gonna see it gets string. Then we can say hello and then a single quote again. So you can use single quote or double quote. The both are recognized as string. So basically what would happen is that first of all Python's gonna see, okay, this is a single quote. So in, and this is the another single quote. So this is the starting of a string, this is the ending of a string. So whatever in the between of these two quotes are characters, just characters, yeah. And even the spaces counts as characters. So basically let's execute these things in our shell. So let's say hello, it returns hello. Even spaces matters, as I told. So if I add this much spaces, then you're gonna see that no spaces. So spaces matters, and you can even do this single quote. So now Python is thinking that these are characters. But if I just type normal, it would say hello is not defined, because for Python, hello, he just don't know what the crap is hello. So you need, whenever you print out text, you need to code them between two double quote or two single quotes. So that's how you make a string. Yeah, you make a string. So this is our string we did it. So now what we can do is we can take our script and say hello world. Now it should return. First of all, let's save it. Let's save it as tuts. Save it. Say tuts.py. Remember. Say tuts.py. That's a Python file. Now run the module. And nothing happened. Why nothing happened? It should return me hello world. Why did it? Because sometimes shell works differently than a script does. So for a script, if you want to print out this, we need to use a function called print. It's print statement. So when you write print, it would highlight it with pinkish type of color. Now do an open bracket and a closed bracket. So in between this open and closed bracket, we are gonna write what we want to print. We want to print hello. So let's type hello. Let's do what we done it. Hello is not defined. As I told, Python doesn't know what is hello. So you need to quote it or make it a string. So let's make it a string now. So run command. So it should print out hello. See? So that's our data. This string contains the data. So this hello world is data that we provided to the print function, and what the job of print function is to print this characters. Always this fact, always remember this thing. For Python, anything in between us two double quotes or two single quote is a character. It's just a character, and spaces even count as characters. Now let's do multi-line. Let's go multi-line. So what if I want to print out the hello on the first line and the word on the second line? In between of strings, there you can add symbols, special symbols. For example, this. It's a slash and n. Basically, this means new line. So first it will print out hello, then space, new line. It will go to a new line, space, word. Let's run the module. So as I told you, that slash and n will print out on a new line whatever is after. Just let the space go there. So that we get hello world, you can say how are you. There are loads of symbols like this. Okay, I messed up. So basically what we learned in this tutorial is what are strings, how to print on a new line. This symbol stands for new line, always remember that. And print function. And just to tell you that there are more symbols like S and T and F, but these are advanced. Just for the beginning, we are just gonna use the slash and n, this symbol, new line symbol. That's what we are gonna do in the beginning. So meet you at the next video. Smack that subscribe button and kill the like button and visit to my channel and wait for the next video.